How communication in nature can inspire the tourism sector by Gamelihle Sibanda, certified biomimicry professional. Today I will talk about biomimicry, the conscious emulation of nature's strategies to solve human challenges. I will focus on communication in nature and challenge you to imagine how some of the strategies can inspire your post-COVID-19 recovery. The COVID-19 pandemic has taught us to maintain clean surfaces in common areas. When water lands on a lotus flower, it forms into a ball and rolls off the surface, carrying the dirt on it. What if we design self-cleaning surfaces inspired by the lotus flower to keep public spaces hygienic? The lotus flower has already inspired a self-cleaning paint. Hygienic surfaces without using chemicals. Whales, ships, and other objects that travel through the water accumulate algae, seaweed, and other types of biofouling that decrease their swimming efficiency. Sharks, despite moving slowly through the water, their skin remains clean. A shark's skin bio-inspired physical surface that prevents bacteria propagation has been developed. What if we developed similar wallpaper to keep walls hygienic in our facilities without using chemicals? In developed countries such as the USA, buildings consume as much as 40% of all energy produced. Termites are farmers who grow mushrooms that are sensitive to temperature variation. They have figured a ventilation system that maintains the temperature almost constant, all without the use of electricity. What if we mimicked the ventilation system of termites to design more buildings that do not use electricity for ventilation, like the Eastgate building in Harare, Zimbabwe? Animal dung or droppings can communicate various information. The dung or droppings can also communicate the gender of the animal and its readiness to mate. What if your social media campaigns are framed so that it is easy for potential collaborators to find you? Some animals use sound to communicate their status. A hyrax is a small animal. The male sings a song that informs a potential mating female about his age, size, health, readiness to mate, etc. What if your publicity materials make it easy for clients to know about the renewable energy installed at your facility? Or how your ventilation system was designed with pandemics such as COVID-19 in mind? Communicating your pricing structure by using indirect references. Bill Gates and Elon Musk stayed with us to advertise a high-end facility or service. A picture of a teacher or a nurse enjoying your service to advertise services at a particular price range. Communicating visually. Some organisms, such as animals and birds, do courtship dances to attract a mate. For example, a peacock spreads its colorful feathers as it does its courtship dance. What immersive experiences can you create for your guests and clients in times of social distancing. Communicating for collective benefit. When honeybees return to the hive from foraging for food, they perform a wiggly dance for others. To communicate the location of food in terms of quantity, direction, and distance from the hive. What is your wiggly dance for the tourism sector? What can you do to inform one another about opportunities that benefit your industry? Remember, nature's life principles teach us to adapt to changing conditions, such as cyclic seasonal changes, and to be locally attuned and responsive, to mitigate threats and leverage opportunities in order to enhance our individual and collective resilience and success in the tourism sector. Thank you. You can find out more at www.biomimicrysa.co.za.